We're going to do question 2 and 3 now. I'll read question 2. The shape of a parabolic bridge can be modeled by this height equation, where h is the height in meters above the ground and d is the horizontal distance in meters from the center of the bridge. And ask what is the maximum height of the bridge, what are the d-intercepts, sketch a graph, and how wide is the bridge. When I see this question and I see that there's no middle term, this is my favorite. This is the easiest one you can get. This is easier than the next one I'm going to show you and the first one. So when there's no middle term, I find it the easiest. So there's no D term. So A, what is the maximum height? So I look at that. Oh, maximum height. Well, the vertex is 0, 2. That's my vertex. Okay, just looking at it, it's 0 and 2. So if there's no middle term, it's 0, 2. So the maximum height is 2 meters. It's the number at the end for this one. So the maximum height is 2 meters. Okay. Now, find the d-intercepts. So that we set the height to 0. So for B, we're going to go h equals 0 to find the d-intercepts. And even I like this. This is not hard. So let me just copy and paste this. So I'll just copy this, bring it down over here, paste it. So we set the height equal to 0, and we get 0 equal negative 1.125 d squared plus 2. You bring this to this side, so you bring this over. When it crosses the equal sign, it changes signs. So 0.125 d squared equals 2. You divide by 0.125, divide by 0.125, and d squared equals, let's go to our calculator, 2 divided by 0.125. Plus, well, we'll clear that, but I'll just hit enter. So we'll try that again. 2 divided by 0.125, 16. So then you're thinking 4 times 4 is 16. D squared is 15. So you can take the square root of that and you get D. You can use your square root function and you get D equals 4. Or you can also get D equals negative 4. You get 2 different answers for that one question. And those are our d-intercepts or x-intercepts, as they were called before. So that's B. Find the D. Sketch a graph. And from the graph, we'll know how wide it is. So we know our maximum height is 2. So the graph looks like this. So I'm going to do a really quick sketch here. In this case, okay, this is my one axis and my other axis. The graph goes up, it opens down because it's negative and comes down. The highest point is 2. Okay, the highest point is 2 meters. So 0, 2. That's our maximum height. We'd figure it's the number at the end, 2. So 0, 2. So that's our maximum height. The d-intercept, so the one, 4, 0 is on this side, right here. And on this side, it's negative 4, 0. Okay, so it's 4 this way, negative 4 this way. It's equal the same 4 that way. There's our maximum height. And over here we have distance here. And over here, this is our height. Last part of this question. So D, it asks how wide is it? Well, here, look, it goes 4 here and another 4 here. So it's 8 wide. So it's like double. It's like 4 times 2 because it's the same on both sides, 8. Therefore, is it a bridge again? Or it could be something different sometimes. Let's take a look. Therefore, the bridge is 8 meters wide. Therefore, the bridge is 8 meters wide. Okay. Now our final question. The path of a ball is modeled by this equation. And I feel like changing it, so I'm just going to pause it, and I'm going to change it, and it'll be different on yours. I'm going to use D's instead.